Hi guys, today we're going to be showing you everything you can do with your Athena bar heater remote. Let's get started. You'll need to first make sure your bar heater is remote controllable. It will have come with a remote and it'll have an LED display. If not, then your bar heater is unfortunately not remote controllable. Press the on-off button on your remote to switch your Athena bar heater on. You'll see the display change on your bar heater screen. Press the on-off button again to switch your bar heater off. Press the temperature button, followed by up or down to change your target temperature. You can adjust this in 1 degree increments. Once done, simply leave the heater for a few seconds to save your settings. Pressing the high-low button on your remote lets you change between 25% power, 50% power, 75% power, and 100% power. Press the timer button on your remote. You'll see a flashing 00 on your screen. You can then use the up or down buttons to adjust how long you want your bar heater to stay on for in 1 hour increments. Just like with the temperature, simply leave your bar heater for a few seconds to save your settings, and you'll see the timer icon at the bottom of the screen. Press set, followed by child lock on your remote. You'll see the lock icon on the bar heater screen. Simply repeat this process to unlock your bar heater. Press the set button twice to switch your bar heater display off. This only switches the display off, not the heater itself. You can press the set button one more time to bring the display back. Press set and then up on your remote. You'll see the person icon appear on the bar heater screen, which means the motion detector is now on. Repeat this process to switch motion detection off.